How to play Repo with your friends. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Repo with your friends on Steam, from hosting a game to inviting people and starting your first mission. Let's get started. Step 1. Add your friends on Steam. First, make sure you and your friends are connected on Steam. Open your friends list, search the usernames, and send a friend request. This is required since Repo uses Steam's friend system for multiplayer. Step 2. Launch the game in a host lobby. Now, launch a Repo from your Steam library. Once you're in the main menu, select Host a Game. This will create a private lobby where you can invite your friends. Step 3. Invite your friends. With your lobby open, press Shift more Tab to bring up the Steam overlay. Find your friend's name, right-click, and choose Invite to Lobby. Once they accept, they will join your game. Step 4. Start the game. When all your friends are in the lobby, go ahead and click Start to begin your mission. Get ready for some chaotic fun and spooky robotic action. Extra tips. A few quick tips before you go. Repo does not support public matchmaking yet, only private lobbies. The host needs a stable connection, as the game is peer-to-peer. Progress is saved only on the host games, so stick with the same host for future sessions. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Repo with your friends on Steam. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.